Hello everyone, welcome to TechBrain. My name is Sam, and in this video, I will show you how to create a Steam account on mobile. First, open your web browser on your mobile device and search for Steam. Click on the first link that appears in the search results. Next, locate and tap on the three lines icon in the top left corner of the Steam webpage. From the menu that appears, select Login. On the login page, tap on Create Account. Enter your email address in the provided field and then re-enter it to confirm. Select your country of residence from the drop-down menu. Complete the verification process to confirm that you are not a robot. Check the box and tap on Continue. Now switch to your Gmail app or open Gmail in your mobile browser. Locate the email from Steam and open it. Tap on the Verify My Email Address link provided in the email. Once verification is complete, return to your web browser. Enter a Steam account that you want to use. Create a password and then re-enter the password to confirm. After filling out the required information, tap on Done to complete the registration process. Now you can see that your Steam account has been successfully created on your mobile device. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.